So I scared Pepper, scared the living daylights out of her, and she accidentally kicked her biscuit bowl. Now she's cleaning up her mess. One biscuit at a time. She realises it's a bit of a big task, I think. That's why she keeps looking around. She's a good girl.
You need to put that on Facebook. Oh, you should put that on your YouTube channel, Mom.
Yeah.
You get heaps of views. It's got about like...
It might take a few hours though.
Definitely. Hey, Peppa! You're missing all the ones over here.
She's getting there. One at a time. That's a good girl. This was the bowl. And this is the task at hand.
You should show the corner, Mum.
We're gonna be here all night, Peppa. But you're a good girl.
We want to see all this cleaned up.
Which one next?
I can't believe it.
What a good cat.
She cleans up most of it. The best thing about this is she's doing a good deed, plus she's getting a bite to eat.
Don't worry about the ones in the bowl, just the ones on the floor. Thank you. Oh, under the bowl even. Oh, you're a clever girl.
Mom, you should lift the bowl up for her.
No, she's got it. We're going to be here all night, I think, Miss Pepper.
She's focusing on all the ones in the corner right now, but she doesn't even notice about ones out here still.
Look at that. She's picking them up with her hand and paw. Don't scare her. She's doing a good job.
Next she might knock out the wet food, Mom.
Maybe I should give her some pocket money for doing this.
Now she's playing with it. I wonder if Blackie might come and give a hand.
I doubt it. Not old fat cat.
Not an old 7-year-old fat cat.
It's a good girl, Peppa. Look at the camera. Peppa. Keep going.
I just can't believe this right now.
Blackie's never cleaned up a spilt bowl.
Exactly.
Oops, now we're playing soccer.
Excuse me.
Back to the corner.
She's literally looking for a perfect one. She found the bunch behind the bowl.
Oh, look at that. She got it in the bowl so she didn't eat it. It's alright, keep going, keep going. I'm watching, I'm watching. Good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. It's a good girl.
I'm never gonna get over this. She's one unique cat.
Not worried about crumbs? You had enough, baby. You haven't finished. No. Soccer time. She's eating it with her hand, her paw. I can't believe that. Some water. I'll give her a rest.